500 go for you?
Because
Liza.
every time I spam,
I'm sorry, Jaden. Paper in your lap. Jaden, go ahead.
every time I spam, I got 100s or 10s.
So you spun a lot of plus 100s and plus 10s. Okay. So you reached 500 pretty quickly. Oh. Ryan, how did the game go for you?
I was good because every time I was spinning, it kept on landing on 100 or 10.
So just like Jaden. All right, Jamaria.
It went bad for me because I kept getting 100 minus 10, minus 100 minus 10, minus.
Oh boy. So it took you a little bit longer. But did you reach 500?
No.
Not yet. Oh. If you had more time, you probably could have. Michelle, go ahead.
It made me a little easier because if it like had what 240, the hundreds take away 10. The hundreds place stays. The ones place stays, and then the tens place goes down.
Oh my goodness. Did you guys hear what Michelle just said? She noticed, you noticed a pattern. That's what you noticed, Michelle. You told me that every time you what?
You have a minus 10.
Every time you have a minus 10, what happens to the number, to the 3-digit number?
The 10 goes down.
The tens, the digit in the tens place goes down. Uh-huh.
The ones and hundreds stays in the place.
You don't move. Michelle, that's such a great noticing that you had from the game. So guys, look up here. Mason, our friend from Red House, his Reach 500 game board looked like this. So I want you to think quietly. I don't want to see any hands. Just think to yourself. What do you think he spun? Don't raise your hand. Think about it. What do you think he spun? He didn't write anything above his arrows. And how do you know? What do you notice? Oh, I said no hands up. Think quietly to yourself. So, this is what we're going to do. I want you to discuss what you're thinking with your partner. So, the person next to you. Oh, I will give you partners, Ryan. So, I think when you are ready, when you're ready with a thought to share, put your thumb up like this on your chest.
Do you think you know
Jamarian
what is
Joseph, turning quietly.
fun? Do you think you know what is fun? It doesn't say. You think you can figure it out? You already know?
Everybody in orange row, turn and face everyone from yellow row. So you guys are going to be free. Everybody on this row.
What do you think he's spun?
He's 100 because the 10th place and the 1st place hasn't changed. Only the 100th place has changed.
If you take away the 21, it will say 30. I mean, only 30, 300. And then it will spot. And then 3 out of 10. And then it's going to go upper and then keep on going up to 500.
If he spun what?
If he spun 10, he wouldn't get up to he wouldn't get up to 500. If he keep on spinning hundreds, then he would get up to 500.
Oh, how do you know he spun 100 to get to 500?
Because it kept on going 3,
Mouth closed and 3,
4, and then 5.
In what
2,
place?
In order.
and
which-
1.
Place, the hundreds, the tens,
Your
or the
eyes are
ones.
on me.
The 100.
You're no longer speaking with your partner. What did you and your partner notice? I need a quiet hand. Did you agree with your partner with what they said? Did you disagree? What did you guys notice? I see some people still sharing with their partner. Amber, go ahead.
I noticed
but the tens and one place are staying the same.
So look what Amber noticed. What did you say? The tens place is staying the same.
The tens in one place are staying the same, but the hundreds place are changing numbers.
Guys, can we make a rule? Because, well, I don't know. Do you guys see a rule again? Not yet. So let's see. Let's keep listening to what people notice. So Amber, that was a very good noticing. Put a thumbs up if you noticed that as well. The tens place was not changing. Look over there. Jameer, over there. The ones place was not changing, but the hundreds place was changing. What did he spin? What did you and your partner say that he spun? When I call on someone, you should be listening to them, not speaking with your partner. Ethan, what did he spin? Oh, he spun plus 100 here. And what about here? Plus 100. So guys, can we make a rule? Every time we add 100 to a 3-digit number, what happens? Every time we add 100 to a 3-digit number, what should our rule be? I want to hear from you guys. Raymond, I'm about to take that away. You earned that, yes? What could our rule be? I see 3 people's hands up, 4 people's hands up. Think about it. Look at the pattern. You guys had some really good noticings. Michelle, what's the rule?
Every time we add 100 to a 3-digit number, the tens in the ones place stays the same.
Uh-huh.
And the hundreds place moves up by 1.
Same. So, okay, the 10 and the ones place stays the same, and the hundreds place, and the hundreds place moves up by 1. So guys, this is one way to say it. If your board if your board is up in the air and not in your lap, fix it now, please. So if his board looks something like this though, what did he spin? What did he spin? I want you to quietly talk to your partner about what you noticed in here.
Because sometimes it stays the same. Sometimes it changes because the horizons
Face forward in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your mouths are closed. So guys, what did he spin? What did he spin, Jameer? How did you know that? Jameer, how did you know that? The ones. What happened to the number in the ones place? Did it change? Is it changing?
No.
How about the digit in the tens place? Is it changing? So guys, you're telling me that what is changing? What is changing? Can you say the digit in the hundreds place is changing? In the hundreds place is changing. How is it changing? How is it changing? I hear whispering. How is it changing, Serenity? How is the digit in the hundreds place changing? It is because he's spinning minus 100, but is it going up? Is it going down? It's going, oh, the digit in the hundreds place is going down by 1. So look guys, every time we subtract 100 from, I see Laura is paying attention. Can somebody read this out loud? Somebody new. Maybe Suleiman, can you read this? What happens? The hundreds place decreases, goes lower by decreases by 1. Good job. Guys, look at your boards. Look at when you spun plus 10. What happens when you add 10 to a 3-digit number? Look at your boards. Look at your board. I still don't know why. I don't know why. You did not follow directions. Oh, Noemi.
What happens? It's like if you have the number 137, then you add a 10, so you have 147.
2 minutes. Now, please. Now, way too much talking. Noemi, go ahead.
It's like if you have 137, but after you add a 10, you'll have 147.
So what do you notice? This is what Noemi just said. She just said, oh, when I had 137 and I added a 10, I got 147. So what do you notice? What rule could we make about every time we add a 10? Noemi, do you want to finish that? You want to Look at what Noemi said. This is super important. Every time you add a 10, what happens? Lady, thank you for raising your hand.
The hundreds and the ones stay, but the 10 change.
The hundreds and the ones place stays the same, but only the tens place changes. How does the tens place change? Does it increase or decrease? Lady. So, Lady, can you finish this rule? Oh, do you know what? I love how Amber's being a great listener to Lady, showing respect. I love how Serenity's being a great listener. Paul, turn your body around. Jameer, turn your body around. Listen to Lady. She's finishing the rule. Lady, go ahead. Every time
we add a 10 to the 3-digit number, the 10 place changes, but the hundred and the 1 stays.
Oh, the 10 place
Increases.
Remember that word, increases? Increases by how much? Increases by. So the whole number is going up by 10, but that one number is only going up by, that digit is going up by. Look at that number over there, right? By 1, yeah. The tens place increases by 1. You guys, we made 3 rules. We have 1 rule left to go. This is mine, thank you. This is mine. Thank you for those of you who kept your boards neatly on your lap, because if I see you doing this, that's not listening. Look at your board. Find a time time when you had to subtract 10. Minus 10. What do you notice? Look at your board. What do you notice? What's the rule? Oh, I see new hands up. Brielle, what do you notice? Every time.
Can you speak up a little, honey?
Every time.
Go ahead, Brielle.
Every time we subtract from a 10, a
Subtract.
3-digit number,
What happens?
you have to go back to a smaller number.
So look at the, Can someone give us an example of when you subtracted 10 on your game board? Brielle, what was the number you had to subtract 10 from?
124.
124.
I mean,
10, and what'd you get?
241. I got confused.
Okay, can you say the number?
241.
221?
41.
41. Like that?
Uh-huh.
Okay. 241. Brielle spun minus 10. And now, what's the new number, Brielle? What did you get?
231.
231. Good job. So, what do we notice about this number? Leti said when you add a 10, the hundreds place and the ones place stay the, but the tens place goes up by 1. So when we take away a 10,
It goes down.
what happens? The hundreds and the ones place stays the, but the tens place. Oh, who can finish that sentence? Who can finish that sentence? Raise your hand. Oh, Anderson, go ahead. What happens to the tens place?
It changes.
How does it change? Pause. Who is speaking? Anderson. Eyes on him. Eyes on him. Jomar, can you go wait over there? Anderson, so what happens to the tens place?
It changes because you added up a 10.
We're taking away a 10, right? So the tens place,
Stay the same.
look at the tens place. You told me the tens place changes, you're right. It increases or decreases? Increases or decreases? Decreases. That means it goes down by,
By 10.
yeah. But the number, the digit goes down by 1. So let's see. Who can put that in their own words for me to write up on our chart? Good job, Anderson. That was good thinking. Serenity, go ahead. Oh, can you say it out loud, honey? Every time.
Every time we subtract 10 from a 3-digit number, it decreases by 1.
What decreases by 1? The
10.
tens place. Good job. The tens place decreases by 1. Oh my goodness, guys. Together we came up with the rules. You guys noticed a lot of things when you were playing the game, and we were able to come up with the rules. Can somebody read them out loud for us?
Every time we add 100 to a 3-digit number, the 10 place stays the same. The 100 place moves up by 1.
Good.
Every time we add 10 to a 3-digit number, the 10 place increases by 1. Every time we subtract 100 from a 3-digit number, 100 place decreases by 1. Every time we subtract 10 from a 3-digit number, the 10th place decreases by 1.
So guys, thank you, Jerson. Every time you have to add 10 more, or 100 more, or take away 10 or 100, now you know the rules, right? So I want to see how much you know, and there's something called, I have over here, an exit slip. So I want to see if you guys really remember these rules, because over here, you have to fill in the pattern. It's going up by 10 more, or it could be going down by 10, or it could be going up by 100, or it could be going down by 100. You have to notice the pattern. And then the last question is, you have to fill in the missing numbers. Someone was trying to do the arrow way, and you have to fill in the missing numbers. I think Amber and Nasir, my teacher's assistants, pass these out per table, put it on the table.